What's up guys, Aiden here, Aiden on Landscaping. Welcome back to another video. Hey, I'm getting this one out quicker than I did the last one. Super quick intro here. I'm out in the dark. But anyways, wanted to walk you guys through real quick what we're doing. Basically, I think it was a 6, 7, 8 yard mulch job. I'm thinking it was 7 we did back in the spring. Anyway guys, I want to show it to you right here, right now. Some footage I grabbed. Let's do it. Without further ado, let's roll that B-roll. Alright guys, I want to keep this video short, sweet, and to the point. Not too much talking here. I'm trying to keep it around 5 minutes. But anyway guys, it took 3 of us. We were there for about 5 hours. We did bed clean out, pruning, edging, and mulch. We laid about 7 yards of mulch or so. Got that place all dialed in and cleaned up. A great customer of mine will probably be back there in this spring. Got a plane going by up there. That's why it's so noisy. Anyway guys, let me know what kind of content you guys want to see here in the spring. Nothing much else I want to show you guys here in this video. So with that, I'm Aiden from Aiden on Landscaping. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.